only to celebrate the achievements and milestones of our students, but also to honor the guiding lights of their journeys, their parents, and of course the teachers. Each of you hold a unique role as the first gurus in your child's life, shaping their values, dreams, and aspirations. To express our gratitude and pay homage to the timeless bond between the guru and the disciple, one who reflects the nurturing role of parents, we begin this event with the divine presentation of the Guru Ashtakam, written by the great Adi Shankaracharya. This hymn reminds us of the eternal importance of Guru in life. In this context, we extend it to you, dear parents, as symbols of wisdom, love, and guidance. Through the graceful movements of classical dance, our performers will welcome you, celebrate your role, and set the tone for this auspicious gathering. We invite you to immerse yourselves in this soulful tribute as we present the Guru Ashtakam, an offering of respect, gratitude, and light. Please join us in welcoming our dancers with a warm round of applause.
जगद्वस्तु सर्वं हरेयप्रसादा मनश्चैलग्नं गुरोरन्ध्रिपत्नि ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् गुरोरष्टकं यः पठेत् पुण्यदेहे यतिर्भूपतिर्ब्रह्मचारी च देहे लभेद्वाञ्छितार्थम् पदं ब्रह्म सत्यम् गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये नमो यस्य लग्नम्